Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It should be clear by now that I'm affiliated with Banggood to help them promote mostly their RC products. And I want to talk to you today about the 11/11 sale that's coming up here in November. It's also kind of known as the singles sale. Banggood is pushing out a lot of products to influencers to try to drive sales to their website by voting on influencers and the products that they are reviewing. These are the things that they've sent me. Clearly, I went with Eachine. They've sent me their RD200 watch, the EV800 DM goggles, and the Eachine Twig 115. All these great products. Look forward to the reviews coming out. Make sure you stop by Banggood for their 11/11 sale. And as always, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.